Golf Karting TV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey there, and welcome back to Golf Karting TV. My name is Matt from Converted Carts, and I'm thrilled to have you back here today. We've got a great episode. And by the way, today's episode is brought to you by Bolt Energy, maker of high-quality lithium golf cart batteries. Experience superior power with Bolt Energy. BoltEnergyUSA.com. So recently, I was down at the Upstate Kart Fest down in Chesney, South Carolina. And I happened to talk to a guy named Michael, who is from Gaffney, which is just a couple little cities over. And he's a retired guy and just had some pride on his golf cart. Just loved what he had done. And he was proud of it and was jumping at the bit to be able to show me a little bit about it. And so I had a walk around. He is a fun guy. Looks like he's created some stuff. He's looking about getting into the business potentially. Into customizing and helping other people build out their carts. And everything he's done is done by hand and just by figuring it out. So it's really cool to talk to folks that are maybe not necessarily been in this industry or been doing this for a long time or go overboard, but just kind of figure things out, use their hands and get in there. So let's jump in and take a look at this 2007 Club Car Precedent and talk to Michael. Hey, so I'm here with Michael, and he's got a club cart, and this is a Precedent. What year model?
2007.
2007. So he's done all this stuff on his own. And so, Michael, why don't you take me around the cart and just show me a little bit? I want to start with this custom dash, if you would. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, I started on this custom dash. I was wanting to actually put my own dash in instead of buying one, and I started drawing it out with cardboard, and then I come up with my design, and it was pretty technical trying to get it to fit, but I kept making adjustments and got it where I can easily take it apart and put it back together, and
nice.
And that's what I came up with. And
it ties into, so you've got a couple of speakers.
Yeah, it's tied into these speakers, and matter of fact, and the box I built here to put in the back, and then I got a woofer there. I got an amp here and another amp up on here with my extra battery. I got an extra battery back here for my sound.
All right, let's walk around there.
And the extra battery box is sitting up under here. You really wouldn't be able to see it, but it's inside that box there. So there's another amp in there.
Yep, very cool. And all your wiring's up in there. Yeah. You got a subwoofer hidden behind the seat. And very cool.
It's been a real fun project. I really have enjoyed the golf cart.
Yeah.
I'm looking to maybe get the kit and raise it up one step. It can't go too high because we're getting older, and I'll probably go up one step.
But you added on those wheels and tires? You bought those with the cart?
I didn't add those. Those was on. The guy that I bought it from, he just had added those on.
Okay.
And I thought it was really nice. The reels and everything kind of set the cart off.
Yeah.
But it's a nice golf cart.
Yeah, you did a good job. Very cool.
And I love the red.
It is. It's nice.
We was in the Christmas parade, and I was wearing my red. Me and my wife had a red and black on, and we were
nice.
I had a lot of compliments on the red golf cart.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Michael. Really appreciate you taking the time.
Sir.
Like I said at the beginning, what I love about this is just talking to regular everyday people and figuring out and seeing what they've done with their cart. I think it's neat to see somebody who's really enjoying it and having some fun with it. So hope you love that. I hope you enjoyed that episode, and we'll hope to see you back here next Wednesday at noon. We drop a new episode every Wednesday. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, share this, tell all your golf cart buddies they need to be watching Golf Karting TV. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.